GTEC stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Looking at Greenland Technologies Holdings, 20% down. It's a rough Friday, you know, it's a rough Friday to be GTEC. One thing that I must say is that it was already kind of expected. Not that I was here, you know, hoping for this thing to melt down, but if you look at the trend, it is a bearish market, and technically without breaks above 293, it's still a bearish market, and that's still what I'm looking at. Now obviously, like, market outlook and structure, it's all subjective. All I'm sticking to personally is something that I've tested for 38,000 videos. 38, yeah. All is documented, by the way. And generally speaking, if the price doesn't give me no rules and no structure here, there's no way that I'll keep selling or doing anything really. So I will continue to keep you updated. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce. Goodbye.